Just a little setup for this video. It was pretty early in the morning and I wasn't really talking much. I'm out there fishing and I start seeing a fish chase bait on top of the water. And so I turned and switched my bait from a Texas rig worm to a Yo-Zuri jerk bait. Here, what I'm trying to do is get the bait perfectly in front of the bass so it mistakes my bait for the fish or the bait it's chasing. Got it. Little guy. Fighting though. Oh shit. Oh, actually, that is not as small as I thought. Yeah, not bad, not bad. He he gobbled it. First one of the morning, guys. All bellied up. He was chasing bait right out here, making a hell of a ruckus. And I cast this Yo-Zuri jerkbait out there. Probably looks just like the bait he was chasing. And yeah, he nailed it. Put up a hell of a fight. Super, super cool bite, man. I'm glad I caught that on camera. There you go, bud.